Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok audio delay. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok audio delay, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click in this page here. Then this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then we will go to clear data, but don't click here because that can mix errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.